تطغوا في الميزان. I seek refuge with Allah from the cursed shaitan. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. The most gracious, it is He who has taught the Quran. He has created man. He has taught him an intelligent speech. The
Asteria to deliver welcome address.
In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. It doesn't matter what's been written and what people say in your story so far. It is how you fill up the rest of your pages and stand for yourself that matters. And to reach for the stars, first of all, you all have to be a star of your own. Today, we all have gathered here for the valedictory program. I, as Mafara Fest Coordinator, is highly honored and feel privileged to be given this opportunity to welcome everyone on this special occasion. It's such a pleasure to welcome our program president, Janab Abdul Rahman sir, the correspondent Shant Educational Trust, who has been a great support to the institution. Welcome. A hearty welcome to our honorable guest, Ms. Zeenat Hassan, Janab Zakir Hussain, Administrative Officer, Janab Samir, Manager, Shant Educational Trust, Janab Umar Bawa, Trustee, and Abdul Khader, Trustee. I welcome you all. I request our principal to offer the bouquet to our honorable guest as a token of love and respect. Celebrate this function with a great enthusiasm, like a festival. Also, the participants have gone through a lot of efforts and preparations for this big day and eagerly waiting to collect their awards. I welcome you all. I appreciate your cooperation throughout this program and making it a grand success. Hope you all enjoy this program. Jazakallah khair. I once again welcome you all.
It's very nice to be a part of this festive occasion. This last 1 week you have been working hard for this festival, and a very good team reaching to the stars and to be a stars. Really, you can say a nice team, very touching team. I don't take much time, only 10 minutes given. I will just inform you or tell about what all the positive things I felt about this program and what all the, not negative, but what all the learning points from this. This has been carried out, I suppose, and I believe by the students themselves. This is your festival, you have managed it, everything nice. Doing such programs, it will bring out your creativity. And in the meantime, you will learn a lot of skills which are not taught in the class. Like the choosing a theme and then preparing around it and then bringing all your talents to this around one theme. It is a positive thing. By this, you will learn leadership skills, you will learn teamwork, and it is a chance to show your talents, otherwise you will not normally have chance. Second thing was that in this week itself last week we had a program for Saturday. It was planned for the teachers training and then it was postponed for Tuesday, and then I asked the staff members and the students that anyway you are going to decorate and uplift the look of this our institution. So please utilize this opportunity. We are going to have a festival, so make a presentable our college. And we have responded very positively for this. Otherwise, actually, we had to have spent some money. But you decorated the stage, especially the two pillars and the look of this and the entrance. And without spending much money using the recycled materials and the waste materials, it was given a good look for this. So thank you very much for that. So this is also a learning point like that, using the opportunity. Whenever you are getting an opportunity, you grab it and utilize this for whatever purpose you have. And the theme of your festival, it was a star, reaching the stars, about cosmology and all those things. And we saw some glimpse of the presentation of some presentation. Maybe those who are in the back, they did not get the chance to listen it. It was also very nice, and bringing the modern science chapters which normally are not taught in your syllabus and all. So this is also a positive outcome of this. And there are some, what I can say, some opportunities is lost, which you should have utilized it to make this occasion still better. What is that? Can anybody guess something? Anyway, the presentation of the spacesuit and spaceman, the inauguration, the concept, it was also very nice. I think no doubt about that. And the stars and all these cutouts which you have made for the planets, also the good thing. But one thing which I missed, if you have done that, it would have been a very, very nice thing. That is a modern, contemporary thing connected with today's theme. Can anybody guess? That one model, if you have put it, it would have been, you can say, a jewel. If anybody guess that, I will give you a prize for that. Come on, I will give you 3 chances for you to guess. Give the mic. Question is, this theme is the star and the cosmic thing, everything about the universe. And so many models were there, like this spaceman and spacesuit, stars, planets, this and that, and all those things. And also in presentation, something was covered like black holes and galaxies, origin of the universe, and all those things. But one particular thing, which is a latest one, which is in the news, connected with the theme, which should have got a model or something mentioned in this program. It is not there, missing. Give them, let them. If anybody gives, I will give them one first prize, 500 rupees. Develop ourselves. To get knowledge, to get the skills, isn't it? We can progress only if we, as you said in the theme, if we reach the stars. How to reach the stars? Just by wishing you cannot reach the stars. To reach the stars, you have to work hard, isn't it? So how you will work hard? By simply sitting? How you will get the knowledge? From where you will get the knowledge? From books only? The one thing which our generation, they are not doing is, they don't know what is happening outside. They don't read newspaper, they don't read what is happening around the world. So this James Webb Space Telescope, at least one of your students came to know, she's having the idea. This is the latest telescope which was sent last month by NASA rocket. It is going to its location away from the Earth 1.5 million miles. Do you know what is it is not become still operational, it will become operational again 1 or 2 months later. It is a beautiful piece of golden mirror, golden things, hexagonal mirrors and all, and this is on its way to the destination, and this will catch the pictures of the remotest galaxies, which is the present telescope which is catching the picture of all these galaxies. You know the name? The present galaxy. This is the one which is going to be operational, James Webb Telescope. Any idea? Hubble telescope it is called. It is in the atmosphere, in the Earth, it is going around the Earth. Okay, so the point is that if you want to be the star, if you want to reach the star, you have to be a leader in whatever subject you have. You should have the latest knowledge, you should have the passion for that, and you should gather all the things available. Otherwise, simply wishing is not enough. So, I think my time is going to be over now. My advice for you all is that take this type of activities seriously and connect with the academics, connect with what is going on outside the world, read in papers, magazines, try to get as much information as possible. That way only you can become a star or extraordinary. Just by being an ordinary, taking 50% marks, 60% marks, just pass, is not enough in nowadays. Nowadays, any field you want to go, you have to be an expert in that. Excellent, plus A plus, then only you can be compete in the world and you can be a star. So, with these few words, I congratulate all those students who worked hard 2 days to make this event successful one, and continue our efforts, but remember to learn more and more about the subjects out of the books. Don't confine yourself only to the textbooks or your questions. Come out, there is a vast world is there outside, which is 1,000 times, which is more than what you learn in your textbooks. So concentrate on those things, and thank you very much for giving me opportunity, and wish you all the best of luck.
Students and staff for your efforts in organizing this event. It is very joyful that you all have included the PU students as well, and all the decoration made was very beautiful and unique. Thank you, Principal, for giving us this opportunity to showcase our talents. I personally like the theme Asteria, and the information provided regarding this has made us more knowledgeable about the space. Thank you one and all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
CMB would like to share my views about Asteria 2K22. Firstly, I thank all the final year degree students and staff for organizing such a productive and intriguing program. Jazakumullah khairan. It was a really interesting and enjoyable event, and the idea of Team Asteria was unique and gave us a vast knowledge about space. And thank you for including us, especially PU students, and your reckless efforts behind organizing such a fascinating decorations and competition is really appreciable. Thank you. I heartfully thank all of you for giving us such a great opportunity to exhibit our talents. Thank you. Thank you.
I, Ali Manida from First PCMB, will be sharing my experience in this fest. So, firstly, I would like to thank and congratulate all the final year degree students for their efforts and everything in this. it was a great opportunity to all of us to participate and exhibit our talent. I would like to thank our Prince also for letting us participate in this.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very good afternoon to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank our seniors, the teachers and the management for putting up such an amazing fest. It certainly did exceed my expectations. It was indeed amazing. I mean, it was my first experience and I did not know what to expect, but it is safe to say that it is beyond my expectations, and I am immensely grateful to the seniors for putting up such an amazing performance. The decorations are nice, and a very big applause to our seniors who are looking very gorgeous. Allahumma barik.
More time, because even though the lot of work behind the Asteria was there, I did not take time to speak regarding this. Now I don't want to speak because the students of the final year, while preparing the agenda of the valedictory, told you fix the guest who speaks less. Therefore, I know you are not in a mood to listen the talk, and you are anxious, more anxious about the prizes. I know all the participants. Only here I take the opportunity to thank all the final year students, and at the same time thanking management for allowing us to conduct the fest during this pandemic time, and special thanks to my dear lecturer. Here I would like to specify the special in charge lecturer of the Asteria, Mrs. Champa, and Mrs. Soumya. Hats off to you. Why I take special congratulations for them, because since 2 years, because of the pandemic, our students' talents, your thinking ability, everything, they took great effort to mold you, because the time the fest was told to you, you had a zero idea. I knew it. The effort day and night they took to mold you, ultimately, alhamdulillah, they succeeded in bringing you out to train you. You really had a practical experience from the point of raising the fund till overall management. So thanks to this special thanks to all my dear lecturers, and I have special thanks to PU lecturer, my colleagues, their full cooperation to encourage you, the PU students. Here at this juncture, I would like to tell that without PUC students, Hiraste auditorium wouldn't have shined more. Here, along in front of the management and guests, I would like to tell that age and class is not a constraint to participate. And you can see the prizes, I have gone through the prizes. Even first PUC are come out with many prizes, not only so everybody can come. Your hidden talents I could identify only in this fest. Therefore, here I would like to pray with Almighty Allah to bless all our young girls to come out with a positive attitude and exhibit your talents. Thanks to Almighty Allah. Assalamu alaikum.
I thank one and all for their valuable contribution, guidance and encouragement in